Hi friends, I hope you are enjoyed previous video. You can do your physical activities every day. It's good for health. Today we're going to do the activities parents or grandparents with kids. Okay kids, let's we go for activities. Every video I just remind you the warm-up is most important before we go for activities. A warm-up generally revs up your cardiovascular system by raising your body temperature and increasing blood flow to your muscles. Warming up may also help reduce muscle soreness and lessen your risk of injuries. Warm-up also one of the exercise, so be careful and do. Gradually, you increase your warm-up level according to your body temperature. Okay friends, let's we go for activities from kg level. Human huddles, it means the parent can sit long sitting position, then the elder can demo how to jump your leg. Next you can inform your champ to jump your leg. When your champ is doing a fast time, you can keep safely. Once again I show you. The benefit of this activity, strengthening the muscles of the body, gaining height, bone flexibility, the circulation of blood, increase the balance as well as coordination of the body, and fitness promoting the functions of the brain. Are you clear children with these activities with your parents? Let's we go for next. Passing the ball. First, the parent can lie down the triangle shape or square shape like this. Then get your ball and lift your upper body and pass the ball. Most of them they avoid sit-ups for difficult or laziness. If you follow these activities, you can develop your core muscle with joyful. The benefit of these activities, core strength is one of the biggest motivator for doing sit-ups, and improved muscle mass, increased flexibility and improved postures. Let's we go for next. In these activities can do the brothers and sisters, if it is possible parents and grandparents also, but we need one neutral person for whistle or clap or announce. Now we can see for these benefits. The training of reaction time. Training and challenging your brain can help strengthen the brain and its neural networks. If you frequently train reaction time, the brain's connections will become stronger and healthier, which means that when it's come time to use response time, it will be quicker and require less mental resource, and also develop your struggling power. You can do in these activities every day at least 10 repetitions. The reaction time is develop their speed, anaerobic performance and development of white blood cells in our body. Fine students, let's we go for next activity. Crawling under the chair. In these activities we need a starting line and 2 chairs for 2 persons, and finishing line or returning point. The participant can stand in a starting line. After the signal of starter, the participant can run and curling under the chair and go to the returning point and touch and come back the starting line. Like this you can do at least 5 times. In this activity we can do our whole body will get strengthening, especially the muscles of gluteus, clavicle, quadriceps, hamstring, abdominal hips and shoulder girdles. And the general benefits of this activity helps to develop muscles in the head, neck, arm, back and legs, as well as helping to support the development of gross and fine motor skills. And also children, it's developed physically, mentally vision, coordination and balance, and very important of self-confidence. And also these activities is made joyful, happiness and body component of speed, power, agility, ability, endurance and flexibility, and very good entertainment also. Fine kids, next we can go for next activity. This activity's name is called parachute. In these activities we need a good bed sheet and sufficient area. We are going to make wave with bed sheet from up and down. In these activities, especially for kids and grandparents, we can do a 5 count in a 10 sets or 10 count in a 5 sets according to your fitness level. And we can add the more number of family members also. For example, 2 elder and 2 younger can hold opposite sides of corner. In these activities, we can develop our hand-eye coordination, unity and teamwork. If you have a number of people, you can keep in center for fun activities. And these activities is develop our upper body of arms, shoulder and torso. If you are sit and stand, your lower body also develop very well. Suppose you have 3 members like one child and parents or grandparents. In these activities, we make a colorful and both 3 of them have a good exercise. In these activities, we can develop our shoulder muscle very well and develop a sense of rhythm, encourages range of motion and reaching. This exercise the mind as they work together and follow the directions. Next, we are going to see the activities grade 9 and 10. In these activities are applied for isotonic and isometric as single exercise. This exercise can do with pair also. In here, in upper body is isometric and lower body is isotonic. It means stable and non-stable physical activity. In these activities, no special equipment is required, but these activities are benefit, strengthen muscles, improve bone density and reduce risk of osteoporosis. Support quality of life by building range of motion muscles that helps with activities of daily living. Next, we are going to see the last activity of today's session. Now we are going to see 2 design of aerobic activities. First one for beginners, second one for good athletes. The names is called sit and spread aerobic activity. In this activity, you can keep one pillow for your balance when you spread your leg. This move helps strengthen muscles in the front and back of your legs and your lower back, which helps you lunge and squat properly without knee pain. Kids and girls do this activity slowly. Next, we can see the advanced movement of the same activity. In this advanced movement, you can try at least twice. In these advanced movements to develop their biceps and triceps muscles also. Both legs will be strengthened at the same time in this exercise. After complete your activities, you must do the warm down. Warm down is nothing but you stretch your muscles in slow movement. It means after your workout allows for a gradual recovery of pre-exercise heart rate and blood pressure. After warm down, you can take 10 to 15 minutes meditation in a position of Padmasana or Sukhasana. If possible, you can sit in front of the sun. It will give positive energy to your body and soul. I hope you enjoy this video. Just you try these activities with your families. Thank you friends. Stay home. Be safe. Bye.